Hello everyone out there. Nice to see you again. In today's episode video, we have this number 4320 and our goal is to get its prime factors. Let's start the solution. Now put down our 4320. Then draw a vertical line. Look at these prime numbers set on the left. Dividing 4320 by 2, which equals 2160. So 4320 divided by 2 equals 2160. Dividing 2160 by 2, which equals 1080. So 2160 divided by 2 equals 1080. Dividing 1080 by 2, which equals 540. So 1080 divided by 2 equals 540. Dividing 540 by 2, which equals 270. So 540 divided by 2 equals 270. Dividing 270 by 2, which equals 135. So 270 divided by 2 equals 135. Dividing 135 by 2, the result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 135 by 3, which equals 45. So 135 divided by 3 equals 45. Dividing 45 by 3, which equals 15. So 45 divided by 3 equals 15. Dividing 15 by 3, which equals 5. So 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Dividing 5 by 3, the result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 5 by 5, which equals 1. So 5 divided by 5 equals 1. And we are done. The prime factors for 4320 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 5, which can be written as 2 to the power 5 times 3 to the power 3 times 5. And these were the whole prime factors for this number. Don't forget to like, subscribe and to comment your thoughts.